Hi guys, like I used to say, Forex pays the bill. It's been a stressful day. I've been in Port Harcourt for a couple of days now and trying to impact lives and share knowledge. Here is a $20,000, and here is another $20,000. You can see it's $100 denomination. This was made from Forex today. This is what I traded. Okay, I traded gold and I traded some currency pairs. So what are you waiting for? Let's milk it. Knowledge is power. So I'm still in Port Harcourt. Tomorrow is the last day, and if you want to grab the knowledge, just hit me up. I'll be at your doorstep. Okay, I had a couple of people today, and tomorrow we go again. So do something with your life this day. It doesn't mean you must have plenty money to trade the Forex market. No, just start up from somewhere. You might not even have money. Just grab the knowledge, open up a demo account and trade. Get conversant with the system first, then you fund it. I'm not telling you to bring your money and start trading immediately, or bring 1 million, bring 2 million. No. First of all, you must have the mindset of I want to learn. Okay, so when you have that mindset of I want to learn, it's a good start. Then you proceed, learn the skill and put it to practice. Okay, I started as a loser years ago, but right now I think I'm conversant with the market. I can go to the bank and withdraw as much as $40,000. You can see it, not fake money, not fake dollars. You can see real money, $40,000. That's 20 and another $20,000. So Forex pays the bill. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it. Don't forget, on the 18th of February, I would be in Lagos, and we're having a seminar, Radisson Blue. I'll be giving out $1,000 there. No jokes. So I want you to know that Forex is real, and the people that have really spoiled the mindset of others are people that are losing. When you keep losing back to back, why wouldn't you think that Forex is a scam? That's it. So Forex is actually a business. So if you treat it as a business, you'll be profitable. probabafx Academy, we trade 3 times a week, sometimes 2 times. Depends on the condition of the market, because it saddens me when a lot of people lose money in Forex. And I've told myself, I'm not going to allow people lose money in Forex anymore. Okay, I want you to have the knowledge, know how to control your finance, know how to take responsibility of your risk. If you're able to do this, man, trust me, you're going to be profitable. Okay, like I said, every trader loses, but the ability to make more profit than your losses makes you a good trader. So this is the knowledge I'm passing. Okay, I'm not here to tell you, give me your money, let me trade for you. No. If you don't have money to fund your trading account, good, but grab the knowledge. Grab that knowledge. Is important. Tomorrow you might need it. Okay, you might be a pro, and who knows, you can hit a jackpot. But Forex is not a gamble. Forex is not Babi Jebu. No, it's work. You have to calculate, you have to learn, you have to have the idea, know the right time to get into the market, know the right time to get off the market. A lot of people, greed 9 kill them. True, you've made some money for the day, leave the market. Rather, you want to keep forcing it. Don't force things. You don't force the market. If you force it, you lose. Okay, I gave an example. I was showing a couple of my clients. I told them, sometimes I trade with at least $50. I don't want to trade though, but I just want to let you know that you can make money with very little. As small as 1,500, I fund my account, and I use a proper risk management. If I fund as little as that, and I make at least $10, $20, I'm okay for the day. I leave the market with the little I have. But if I'm trading with a very huge capital, I'm trading with so much, I can now leverage on putting big lot size, putting more risk. Yes. But you can't have a small account and you expect to make millions with just $10, $50. No. Because a lot of people are missing it out. Honestly, it's time we start, as a lot of us as coaches and mentors, start letting people know this is how this thing works. Normally, I don't like to push people like do this. No, you just watch my success. If you're cool with my success, you hop in. That's how it's been for over a year now, thereabouts. I started giving this education. You get, formally, I don't give education. I just sell my robot. You plug your robot and you make your profit. That's what I do. But right now, I want the youths to take responsibility of their risk, so that when anything goes wrong, you will say, I did it. If you make profit, you say, I did it. If you make loss, you say, I did it. You'll be held responsible for your risk. So you have to learn so that you can maximize your capital. Like, you can know the right lot size to use. Okay, I'll be dropping a video very soon on the lot size you use for different sizes of account. $100, $50, $5,000, $1,000. That's what I'm going to do. Like I said, I want to impact lives. I want to impact the young ones and let them know that this Forex thing is real, and Forex, you can make money. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's milk it. I'll see you later. Peace out.